This is an overview video for the S5Maps product. It's a Google Maps integration for SageCRM developed by S5CRM and distributed in the US by Effective Solutions. The main concept of the solution is to allow you to display all of your company records in SageCRM on a Google Map. This can be a valuable tool for your sales users both in the office and when they are on the road. Let's see how it works. Imagine that you're a sales rep and you're going to be meeting with Accurate Pattern tomorrow. I have the record up in CRM. I want to pull up the accounts that are in the area and see if there's anybody else that I should be visiting. Same concept if I'm on the road and I have a cancellation or I want to check and see if any other companies in CRM are in the area that I should be meeting with. I could use this same strategy. All I have to do while I'm on the record in CRM is click on the S5 Maps button, and that'll pull up a separate tab and display all the records in CRM on the map. So in this case, it's showing me all the records within 10 miles of Accurate Pattern, right? I have a distance setting there. Over on the right, I have a list of the records that are on the map. I can click on Accurate Pattern and it'll zoom in to that particular location. As I'm looking at the map, I have some nice features. I can zoom out and move around just like I can with Google Maps. If I hover, it'll give me some basic information. You see here I have different pinpoint colors based on the types of records they are customers, prospects, some other types may be in my database. If I click on a particular pinpoint, it will give you some additional information, and these can be configured, but you see a type of prospect, company phone number. If I have some sales data in my CRM database, I could also include that on the pinpoints as well. If we go to the upper left, then we have some filters, right? So I'll zoom out a little bit. And we have some filters, so I can filter by account manager if that's applicable, by territory, by company type. If I just want to see the customers on the map, I can filter by that and see these records are just customers. I can clear that filter to reset it. I also, from a filter standpoint, have the ability to just show records that have opportunities on the map or just records that have cases on the map, and then I can go back to all. Now, some additional navigation and searching capabilities. If I was working with Accurate Pattern, and I want to search for Alice Tool, I can search the map. If I think Alice Tool is in that area, I can search the map up here, and there it found Alice Tool. The 3 stars tell me that it is, in fact, in the current map list. I can click on that, and it'll take me to that record on the map. I also have the ability to jump to a city and state. So here I can type in West Dallas, Wisconsin, and it'll make that the center point on the map as well. So real nice features for navigating and moving around within the map using and dovetailing in the CRM data. One of the other things that people don't realize with Google Maps sometimes is there's just a treasure trove of information stored within the Google Map. All of these companies and Google businesses building this database of businesses within the map. And we can actually search the map to find some leads or prospects that may not be currently in our CRM database. So we can do that. If I go back to Accurate Pattern as my center point and I want to search for engineering firms that are in the area, I can type in engineering and it will search through the Google database. And in this case, it found 5 records. The ones that are in green, actually, they're in my CRM database already. But I could go ahead and map the ones that are not. So I'll select those and I'll map the locations. And here you can see they show up on my map. I can click to get a little bit more information on those records. And if I decide, you know what, that is somebody that I'd like to have in my CRM database, I can click on that pinpoint and we give you the ability to add to SageCRM. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to add it in as a prospect. And now that record is in CRM. And actually, we mentioned there's a second window. So if I click on that pinpoint and click on the company name, it will actually navigate to engineered systems on the second window. So very nice feature there. And that's it really in a nutshell. There's lots of other bells and whistles within the base mapping product, but at its core, it's going to display SageCRM records on your map, and it's going to give you the ability to search for leads on the map too, and if you choose to, add them to your CRM database. So think about how your sales force could be more efficient if they could see these accounts on a Google map, and also if they could find prospects on the map that may not be in CRM yet. And if you're interested, reach out to us and we will get you more information on the products as well as pricing. And we're looking forward to working with you. Very excited about this new product. Thanks.